Hello guys, this is Ever and I'm doing another shoe review. And this time, I have a Nike M2K Tekno in dark gray and black color. So ito na po yun. As you can see, the shoes is a bit chunky. Now we're doing the close-up details ng ating Nike M2K Tekno. So, here, ito po yun. So, as you can see, black with dark gray. Nice combination. And then, it's a padded, like this, material with a big Nike logo there in black. And then another small Nike here, logo, and then another Nike. On the midsole, my black and white. And then my red details there, and at the back, this is the modern design. I like it. Mayroong heel clip, tinatawag po nila ito. So it's made of plastic and it's a bit chunky. So since uso ngayon ang malalaking sapatos, sa design na ito ay mayroong 9 Nike logos. So bilangin po natin to make sure na 9 talaga. May 1, ito yung number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, at pang 9 po ang sa loob. So, ang daming logo. And now is the actual fitting of the Nike Tekno trainers. And guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See ya!